Hello guys, I'm Evelyn Benz and I'm certified personal training. I'm gonna record a review about 30-day success club. But please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. First, let's watch this video.
Does your bank account look like this or like this? Does your car look like this or more like one of these? What about the home you live in? Would you consider yourself living a lifestyle of the rich and famous or the middle class bordering on poor? If you want to live a lifestyle of financial freedom, have unlimited time to do whatever you want, and truly live the life you and your family deserve, then you need to pay close attention to this free short video. You're about to discover a little-known secret that people are using to quietly generate millions of dollars every year. From something so simple, so common, that it will literally blow your mind. Something that big business has used to make billions of dollars off unsuspecting consumers like you for years, until this day is still only known by about 1% of the population. And the best thing is, if you keep watching, we're actually going to give you this exact system that we're talking about absolutely free. Mind you, this isn't just another get-rich-quick scam. In fact, this has been proven and documented to get consistent results for more than 13,637 people in North America within the past 12 months alone already.
Wow, that's amazing! Really, 30-day success club, it changed my life. Finally, I have reached what I wanna, and I was able to achieve the profits that I dreamed of. Only online. I have enough money to achieve everything. Sound simple? Yeah, right. But the problem is you don't know where to start. You tried many methods, but it didn't work. You're wasting your time, effort, and money. Don't worry. Let me help you. I'm excited to introduce to you 30-day success club. Let me tell you more about it. A system that would allow anyone, regardless if he has any computer experience at all, to get their own website. Inside this system, you will learn that if there is still a problem and that you may be frustrated, but don't worry, your income will gradually increase. Using this amazing software provided by the 30-day success club, you will gain everything. In the end, I'm wishing for you to find what's impossible. What was impossible one day to become a millionaire, now it can be happen. Now I can share with you my secret and realizing the dream. I have owned my own money and I am happy to share with others. 30 Success Club, really thank you so much. Don't miss the chance and get your version right now.